Do you want to build your career in data science fields? Then you are in the right place. Who should do data science? So, who can learn data science? The answer is simple: anyone who is willing to learn data science, be it a newcomer or an experienced professional. Engineers, software and IT professionals, and marketing professionals alike can sign up for part-time or external data science programs. You can be either data scientist or can be a data analyst. Data science is a fantastic career with a ton of potential for future growth. Already, there is a lot of demand, competitive pay, and several benefits. Companies are actively looking for data scientists that can glean valuable information from massive amounts of data. What work can a data scientist do? You'll extract, analyze and interpret large amounts of data from a range of sources, using algorithmic, data mining, artificial intelligence, machine learning and statistical tools, in order to make it accessible to businesses. Here in this picture, I have explained data analyst skills briefly. Hopefully this will help you. At last I have given some differences between them. In the next video I will start data visualization part using Python. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.